done all I can do. Now it's up to you. You're flirting with time, baby. Flirting with time, but maybe time, baby, is catching up with you. Shadowmen talk a real good game. Every punchline has your name. You cried out and no one came to you. I've done all I can do. Now it's up to you. You're flirting with time, baby. Flirting with time, but maybe time, baby, is catching up with you. Should be more to learn from this. Can't say I know what it is. No difference between a hit or miss. It's true. I've done all I can do. Now it's up to you. You're flirting with time, baby. Flirting with time, but maybe time, baby, it's catching up with you.
Hey folks, gonna be a guitar lesson for Flirting with Time by Tom Petty off his fantastic solo album. It's called Highway Companion. This is his third and final solo album. Again, Highway Companion, one of my absolute favorites. So let's get into this. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. We're gonna start with just some downstrokes on a D chord. So something kind of build up, almost like a get back build up, just like a, however many times he does it.
A coyote ran.
So you just do that D intro, just downstrokes. To an E, let me give you the chords now. E minor, here's the verses. To a G, D, A minor, and that just repeats. E minor, G, D, A minor. Repeats all again. E minor, G, D, A minor. Now we're gonna go, I've done all I can do. C, I've done all I can do. A minor, back to C. Now it's up to you. That's a D. And now you're flirting with time. It's gonna be a G to a C, but I'm gonna downstroke it kind of a little more like they do on the record. So you're flirting with time, baby. Flirting with time, but maybe. So it's just a G to a C. I'm gonna play that kind of modified C with the G with them at the high E and the B string. Or you could play a regular C, whatever you like. So again, you're flirting with G, baby C. You're flirting with time, G, but C. Time, E minor, baby D is catching up with G, sus4, G. So in real time, it's you're flirting with time, baby. Flirting with time, but maybe E minor. Time to D is catching up with G, sus4, G. And that's it, folks. That's all you need to know for Flirting with Time. What a great track. Another one of these hidden gems by Tom Petty. It's on the Highway Companion album. Thank you, folks, so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everybody stay safe. I'll see you all soon.